Hello children. Today we will be learning about how to find main idea in a passage. We have already learned how to find the main idea of a passage using the supporting details and using a graphic organizer. So the main idea in this case was hidden in the passage itself. But did you know that the main idea is not always hidden in the passage? This type of main idea is called as implied main idea. Let us learn how to find an implied main idea of a passage. The first thing I want you all to always remember is that a well-written paragraph will always have a topic, and the main idea is what the author tells you about the topic. Okay? So now let us take this passage for example. Read with me. Ants usually live in colonies. There are mainly three kinds of ants: the queen ant, the worker ants, and the slave maker ants. The queen ant is the only type of ants who lay eggs in the colony. None of the other ants can lay eggs. The worker ants take care of the newborn baby ants. They also search for food and protect their nests from enemies. The slave maker ants steal the nests and eggs from the other ants. These stolen ants become slaves when they are born. Now we can tell that everything in this passage is about ants. So what does the writer say about ants? Let us take a look. He tells that there are mainly three kinds of ants, and then he tells that the queen ant is the one which lay eggs. Then he tells that the worker ants are the ones which take care of the newborn baby ants. And then he tells that the slave maker ants steal the nests and eggs of other ants. So, can we tell that all these three types of ants have different work and responsibilities? Right. So that is our main idea. We can write it like this. Different types of ants have different work or responsibilities. So, we can find the main idea using these three steps. First step, find the topic of the passage. Second step, find out what the writer tells about the topic. And then the third step, you can write that in a short sentence form. Let us quickly look at another example. Now, I want you to pause at this point and take some time to read this passage. Okay, so step 1. What is the topic? The passage tells all about flowers, right? Okay, so step 2. What does the writer tell about flowers? He tells that it is used in decorations and temples, it is used in creating perfumes, it is used in coloring clothes, it is used for gifting, and it is used in cosmetics. Do you find a common pattern in these details? Do you think the author is speaking about the uses of flowers? That's right. The writer is speaking about many ways the flowers can be used. So that brings us to step 3. We'll write this in a short sentence. We can write the main idea like this. Flowers can be used in many ways. Do you think all of these supports the details that we just learned? There you have it. We can get into the main idea in just simple 3 steps. Find the topic, what does the author tell about the topic, and write that in a short sentence form. Now it's your turn. Thank you.